So I recently reinstalled the MCP kit on my bike. Now when I bought the bike, it was pretty much bone stock. It is far from stock now. Now if you're into KLRs, there's really one main kit that everybody wants to use, and that's the KLX needle kit. And I can't say that that's better or worse than anything else because I've not run it. I know some folks who swear by it, and I know some folks who swear at it. But what I did is I ordered the MCP Carb Correction Kit, and I had some issue with it at first. When I first got it, I don't know what was wrong. I took the thing apart and I reinstalled it like the manufacturer told me to, and I could never figure out why it didn't work right when I first installed it. When I first installed it, it gave me some fits. But afterwards, I contacted the manufacturer. He was real cool. He said, you need to take it apart and redo it. I said, okay. So I did. And taking it apart and redoing it, it really worked out nicely. It worked pretty well. And then the manufacturer, I talked to him and told him, I said, hey, this is what worked and everything. And he says, oh, what year is your bike? And I told him, and he said, for some reason, the 08s and 09s have a tendency to want to use the factory original main jet. And I had put in one of his jets in the rig, and I said, oh, well, So tore the bike apart, put the factory original jet back in the bike, and ran it for a week, and it didn't like it. Very poor fuel economy, and a little lagging on power. So popped everything back out, redone it, and that's where I am now. And it's an impressive little kit. It really does the job well. I don't have anything bad to say about it as long as you install it right. Working out for me nicely. I did lose a little fuel economy, and I can't honestly say that the fuel economy I've lost is because of the kit, because I tend to ride it a little harder now. And I noticed when I got my bike, I was getting like 50 miles to the gallon, 48, 50 miles to the gallon. And then the longer I had the bike, the more experience I got in the bike, the poorer my fuel economy became. And then when I switched out the kit and didn't have it right while I was running it, while it was not right, I was getting 32, 34 miles a gallon, which is just ridiculous, And after I yanked the kit out and got it done properly, I was getting 42 miles to the gallon or so, 40 to 42, which is nowhere near what I was getting to start with, but I think I'm running a little harder now too. So that's my brief thoughts on the MCP Carb Correction Kit. I'll put a little link here in this little blurb of the video, and if the MCP Carb Correction Kit's something that you think you might be interested in, there's hit up Grant there, and he'll hook you right up. For now, I'm going to get back into this other video I'm recording, and we're going to do some more twisties.